Your gut's about to get a 7-day boot camp. Visual of colourful smoothies being poured, vibrant ingredients like berries, spinach, pineapple on a clean kitchen counter. Welcome back to Nourish and Ignite, where we help you fuel your body, mind, and life with powerful nutrition. I'm so excited about what we have for you today. Seriously, this is a game changer. We're talking about a transformation from the inside out, something that will make you feel absolutely brilliant, if you stick to it, of course. Today, we're launching a 7-day smoothie challenge designed by the best in the business to transform your gut health naturally and deliciously. Forget those complicated, tasteless diets. This is about real food, real flavor, and real results. We've got 7 incredible smoothie recipes, one for each day, packed with everything your gut has been screaming for. Think of it as a reset button, a way to get your digestive system working like a well-oiled machine. I know what you're thinking. Another smoothie challenge? No, this is the smoothie challenge. Each recipe is crafted to perfection, focusing on specific ingredients that soothe, heal, and boost your gut microbiome. We're talking prebiotics, probiotics, fiber, anti-inflammatories, the whole lot. So are you ready to ditch the bloating, boost your energy, and finally give your gut the 5-star treatment it deserves? Good. Because this week we're going to nourish and ignite like never before. Right, day one. Let's get one thing straight from the get-go. This isn't some poncy, pretty-looking drink with no substance. This is the Green Gut Soother, and it's here to do a job. Your gut's been through the ringer, hasn't it? Processed junk, stress, who knows what else. Well, today we start the repair work. We're laying the foundation for a gut that doesn't just survive, it thrives. And it all starts with proper, fresh ingredients. First up, spinach. Fresh, vibrant, green as your granny's lawn spinach. Spinach is your workhorse here, absolutely rammed with fibre to get things moving smoothly. It's also loaded with nutrients that your gut lining will soak up like a sponge. Then we've got banana. Banana brings in potassium, essential for fluid balance and muscle function. It also adds a beautiful, creamy texture that makes this smoothie feel like a treat. Pick a ripe one. Spotty is good. Avocado. This isn't just for your toast. In this smoothie, it's delivering healthy monounsaturated fats, brilliant for reducing inflammation. Plus more fiber, chia seeds. Tiny little powerhouses these are. They plump up, creating a gel-like substance that's fantastic for your digestion. And finally, almond milk, a light dairy-free base that ties everything together. All right, day 2. Yesterday was about soothing and laying groundwork. Today, we're calling in the reinforcements with the Berry Probiotic Blast. Your gut is an ecosystem, a metropolis of bacteria, and right now, we need to make sure the good guys are winning the war. This smoothie is your secret weapon, packed with antioxidants and live cultures. We're talking mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, fresh or frozen, doesn't matter as long as they're good quality. These little jewels are bursting with antioxidants, fighting off those nasty free radicals. They're also a fantastic source of fiber, keeping things regular. Next, Greek yogurt, proper thick live culture Greek yogurt. We need the real deal, teeming with probiotics. These are the good soldiers, populating your gut, improving digestion, boosting your immune system. Flax seeds, ground flax seeds, mind you, they provide a brilliant hit of soluble and insoluble fiber. Plus, they're a top source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. A tablespoon is all you need to make a real impact. And for our liquid base, coconut water. It's naturally refreshing, hydrating, and packed with electrolytes. It's lighter than milk and adds a subtle tropical note. This Berry Probiotic Blast is more than just a tasty drink. It's a strategic move to repopulate your gut with beneficial bacteria. Blend it until it's smooth and creamy. Savor every sip knowing you're giving your gut exactly what it needs to thrive. This is your fuel. Day 3. Halfway through the working week, and hopefully your gut is starting to thank you. If you've been sticking to the plan, that is. Today, we're tackling a common enemy, bloating and discomfort. Nobody likes feeling like an overinflated balloon, do they? So we've got the tropical digestive delight, a smoothie specifically designed to ease digestion and send bloating packing. Pineapple, fresh pineapple, mind you, not that tinned stuff swimming in syrup. Pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain. This stuff is a miracle worker for digestion. It helps break down proteins, making them easier for your body to absorb. Alongside our pineapple, we have banana again. Its soft texture and easily digestible nature make it a friend to a sensitive gut. It adds natural sweetness and creaminess. Now for the magic touch ginger. Fresh ginger, grated or finely chopped. Ginger is a digestive powerhouse, renowned for centuries for its ability to settle stomachs. It stimulates digestive enzymes and helps to relax the intestinal tract. Kefir, this is another probiotic champion. It's a fermented milk drink, tangy and slightly effervescent. The live cultures in kefir are brilliant for promoting a healthy gut microbiome. And our liquid base, once more, is coconut water. Its hydrating properties and electrolytes are always welcome. This tropical digestive delight isn't just about tasting good, it's about feeling good. Blend it up, drink it down, and feel that digestive system sigh with relief. Day 4, folks, we're over the hump. By now, you should be feeling a bit lighter, a bit more energetic. Your gut is getting a taste of the good life. Today, we're focusing on prebiotics with the creamy oat prebiotic smoothie. Prebiotics are the food for those good bacteria. You need to feed your army if you want them to fight for you, right? So this smoothie is their 5-star meal. The hero ingredient here is rolled oats. Proper rolled oats are a fantastic source of a specific type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This acts as a prebiotic, feeding your beneficial gut bacteria. It also helps to regulate blood sugar levels and can lower cholesterol. Oats make the smoothie incredibly creamy and satisfying too. Next up, apple. Apples, especially with the skin on, are packed with pectin, another brilliant prebiotic fiber. Pectin also helps to promote regularity and can bind to toxins in the gut. The natural sweetness and slight tartness of the apple pair beautifully with the oats and almond butter. Almond butter. A good dollop of almond butter adds healthy fats, protein, and more fiber. It makes the smoothie incredibly satiating. A dash of cinnamon. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to regulate blood sugar. It adds a lovely aromatic spice that complements the apple and oats perfectly. Our base is almond milk again. Light, easy to digest, and allows the other flavors to shine. This creamy oat prebiotic smoothie is all about nourishing that internal ecosystem. It's comforting, it's filling, and it's doing a world of good deep inside. So get it down you and let those good bacteria feast. Enjoy every sip. Day 5, Citrus-Kale Cleanser. Time for a green detox blast. Day 5, look at you, still standing, still blending. The weekend is in sight and your gut is well on its way to becoming a temple of health. Today we're going green again, but with a zesty, cleansing twist. This is the Citrus-Kale Cleanser. After a few days of richer, creamier smoothies, this one is designed to be light, refreshing, and give your system a bit of a detoxifying kick. Kale. Kale is a nutritional superstar loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, plus antioxidants and fiber. It's fantastic for supporting your body's natural detoxification pathways. Use fresh kale, remove the tough stems. Orange. Bright, zesty, and bursting with vitamin C, oranges add a wonderful sweetness and tang to balance the kale. The natural sugars in orange provide a quick energy boost. Lemon. Just a squeeze, but what a difference it makes. Lemon stimulates liver function and aids digestion, plus more vitamin C hemp seeds. These little seeds are a complete protein source and a great source of healthy fats. They add a subtle nutty flavor and a bit of creaminess to the smoothie. For the liquid, we're keeping it simple with water, plain filtered water. This keeps the smoothie light, hydrating, and allows the flavors of the kale, orange, and lemon to really pop. This Citrus-Kale Cleanser is your Friday pick-me-up. It's clean, it's green, and it's bloody good for you. Blend it up, drink it down. Feel refreshed and detoxified. Enjoy the green goodness. Day 6, Beetroot Berry Booster. Paint the town red and healthy. Day 6, Saturday. You've almost made it. Your gut should be feeling significantly better. Less bloating, more energy, regular as clockwork, I hope. Today we're introducing a real showstopper, both in colour and in benefits. The Beetroot Berry Booster, cooked beetroot. Cooked beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in nitrates, which can help improve blood flow. Strawberries. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, manganese, and plenty of antioxidants. They complement the beetroot surprisingly well. Yogurt. Plain yogurt, Greek or regular, as long as it has live active cultures. This adds creaminess, a protein boost, and those all-important probiotics. Chia seeds again. These little champions are here for their fiber, their omega-3s, and their amazing gelling properties. They help to thicken the smoothie and provide sustained energy. And our liquid base is water. The Beetroot Berry Booster is a stunningly vibrant drink that's as good for you as it looks. It's supporting your liver, fighting inflammation, feeding your good gut bacteria. Blend it up, admire that incredible color, then get it down you. Your body will thank you. Enjoy the vibrant boost, feel the benefits, celebrate your progress. One more day to go. Keep going strong. Day 7, Spice Pumpkin Gut Healer. The grand finale your gut deserves. Day 7, the final day. You've bloody done it. 7 days of dedication, 7 days of nourishing your gut from the inside out. You should be feeling fantastic, lighter, more energetic, and with a digestive system that's purring like a kitten. For our grand finale, we've got something truly special. The Spiced Pumpkin Gut Healer. Pumpkin puree. Pure, unsweetened pumpkin puree. Pumpkin is incredibly gentle on the stomach and is packed with fiber. It's also rich in vitamin A and antioxidants. Banana, our reliable friend, makes a final appearance. It adds natural sweetness, creaminess, and those all-important easily digestible carbs and potassium. Pumpkin pie spice. A blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. These warming spices aren't just for flavor. They have incredible health benefits. Flax seeds, one last time for good measure. Those ground flax seeds are delivering their final punch of fiber and omega-3s, and our creamy base almond milk, unsweetened as always. This spiced pumpkin gut healer is the perfect way to round off your 7-day challenge. It's packed with fiber, anti-inflammatory spices, and gut-soothing ingredients. It's a delicious, comforting hug for your hard-working digestive system. You've earned this. Savor every sip. Celebrate your success. Feel the benefits. Keep up the good work. Well done, you. And that's a wrap on our 7-day smoothie challenge for a happier gut. How absolutely incredible do you feel right now? 7 days of delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies, all designed to soothe, heal, and supercharge your digestive health. I'm so incredibly proud of every single one of you who took on this challenge and saw it through. You've taken a massive step towards better health, more energy, and feeling amazing from the inside out. This isn't just about a one-week fix. It's about building sustainable, healthy habits. Hopefully you've discovered some new favorite flavors and realized just how easy and delicious it can be to support your gut health every single day. Remember those key players: fiber, probiotics, prebiotics, and anti-inflammatory foods. Keep incorporating them into your diet, and your gut will continue to thank you. This is just the beginning of your journey to a nourished and ignited life. If you're ready to reset your gut and feel amazing from the inside out, join us starting today, or if you've just completed it, tell us how it went. Comment below with "I'm in" if you're starting, or share your favorite smoothie if you've finished. Let us know which smoothie you are most excited to try or which one surprised you the most. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Nourish and Ignite for more wellness wisdom. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a nourishing tip or another fun challenge from us.